Nissan Tiida. 12 parking sensors, plus 360 surround view system demonstration. Radar sensor installation locations. Camera installation positions. When shifting into reverse, the 360 view pops up and displays for perspectives, rear view, bird's eye view, left and right rear wheel views. When shifting into drive, the central display shows the front view, bird's eye view, left and right front wheel views. Quad split screen view helps us not only see ahead clearly, but also accurately judge the distance on both sides of the tires. No extra actions required. Full view of the road at a glance. Turn the steering wheel 90 right, or activate the right turn signal. Automatically displays the right wheel view, making turns clearer. The front view, rear view, and bird's eye view are also shown. Turn the steering wheel 90 left, or activate the left turn signal. Displays the left side view. Activate hazard lights to enter narrow road mode. When moving forward, if the front parking sensor detects an obstacle, the front 360 view is automatically triggered, making obstacles both visible and audible. If the left radar detects an obstacle, automatically switches to the left side view. Side hazards are clearly visible too.